आज ही डाउटनेट ऐप डाउनलोड करें। डाउटनेट पर होगा अब आपके सभी मैथ्स, केमिस्ट्री, फिजिक्स और बायोलॉजी डाउट्स का सफाया। बस अपने क्वेश्चन की फोटो खींचो, उसे क्रॉप करो और तुरंत वीडियो सोल्यूशन पाओ। डाउनलोड नाउ।
Hello student, the question here is if Pth, Qth, Rth and Ss term of an AP are in GP, then show that P minus Q, Q minus R and R minus S are also in GP. Okay, so in this question it is given that Pth, Qth, Rth and Ss term of an GP are in AP are in GP. Now let us suppose that A be the first term and D be the common difference of the AP. So we can write that PP is equal to A plus P minus 1 into D. PQ is equal to A plus Q minus 1 into D. PR is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D, and TS is equal to A plus S minus 1 into D. Also it is given that these terms are in GP. So we can say that PQ upon PP will be equal to TR upon PQ will be equal to TS upon TR, as all of them will be equal to the common ratio. The ratio of, as these ratios which we have written here will be equal to common ratio of the required GP. Now, using the first two relations, that PQ upon TP is equal to TR upon TQ, we can PQ upon TP is equal to TR upon TQ. We will subtract 1 from the both sides and then cross multiply these terms. We will get PQ minus TP upon TR minus TQ is equal to TP upon TQ. Now TP upon TQ is what? Common ratio. Okay, so we can say that CR, common ratio, is equal to, now TQ is A plus Q minus 1 into D, and TP is A plus P minus 1 into D. So putting that, we will get A minus P minus 1 into D. Similarly, in the denominator, we will get A plus R minus 1 into D minus A minus Q minus 1 into D. Upon solving this, we will get Q minus P upon R minus Q. So this is our common ratio when we use the first two ratios here. Now if we use these two ratios, second and third ratio, as again it is what we will get. The ratio is TR upon TQ is equal to TS upon TR. Again subtracting 1 from the both sides and taking the cross multiplication, we will get TR minus TR minus TQ upon TS minus TR is equal to TQ upon TR. This is equal to 1 by common ratio. If I represent common ratio in the form of R, this will be 1 by R. Similarly, this won't be equal to common ratio. It is again 1 by common ratio. Okay. So this is equal to 1 by common ratio if I am representing common ratio with R. Okay. Now we can again say that from here that 1 by common ratio 1 by R is equal to A plus R minus 1 into D minus A minus Q minus 1 into D upon A plus S minus 1 into D minus a minus r minus 1 into d. Upon solving this, we will get r minus q upon s minus r. So from if I mark the above relation as 1 and this as 2, we can say that from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, it is clear that q minus p upon r minus q, q minus p upon r minus q is equal to r minus q upon s minus r, or it can be written as p minus q upon q minus r is equal to q minus r upon r minus s, which shows that p minus q, q minus r and r minus s are in JP, hence proved. I hope this has answered your question and your doubt is clear. Thank you.
क्लास 6 से 12 से लेके नीट IIT जेईई मेंस और एडवांस के लेवल तक 10 मिलियन से ज़्यादा स्टूडेंट्स का भरोसा। आज ही डाउनलोड करें डाउटनेट ऐप या व्हाट्सएप कीजिए अपने डाउट्स 8400 400 400 पर।